Okay, so this is me finally shooting my first ever long video, first ever YouTube long video. And honestly, I have been wanted to do this for quite a while, but I was just skipping it due to overthinking. What if doesn't work? What if it is not nice? And blah blah blah. So many things. So I finally decided to just sit and film it instead of just overthinking it and without caring about what if. So here I am, and please wish me luck, okay, because this is so new for me. So let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Utkarsha, aka Reads by Utkarsha. You can find me on Instagram. There also I am posting book reviews, book memes, annotations. I love to annotate books. So this channel is going to be about a lot of books and random thoughts and book recommendations and book reviews. So if you are someone who loves reading and if you are someone who wants to get into reading, then this place is for you. Stay with me and we will just figure it out together. So in this video, I'm going to recommend you a few beginner friendly books. And also if you haven't read them yet, then you might just pick these books for your next read. So stay tuned. Okay, so if you want to read a romance book but you don't want it much spicy, then this book is just for you. Okay, the book is called Better Than the Movies by Lynn Pinter. It's a young adult romance and ज़्यादा spicy नहीं है, but I swear it will make you swoon like anything, and you will feel all the butterflies and the tension between them, and the chemistry between them is so good. If you love tropes like enemies to lovers, fake dating, slow burn, this book has it all. So yeah, जो भी just reading start कर रहा है and they want to read a romance book, it is good for them. So for the next read, if you want to cry or if you want an emotional read, then this book is for you. This book will make you cry like hell. The emotions in this book are too heavy. Once you finish this book, you couldn't be able to process how much heavy the emotions were. So the book is called You Have Reached Sam by Dustin Thau. So we follow Julie and her process of grieving for her boyfriend Sam, who died tragically a week before she tried calling his phone. As she expected, the call should go to voicemail, but for her surprise, Sam picks up the phone. And the story moves forward from that point, sharing all the past memories and new experiences of Julie after Sam died. So, this book is going to be very emotional. If you want to cry, then you can try these books. Okay, so the next book is going to be like if you want to read a cozy book which literally gives you feels like a warm hug, then this book is for you, which is Days at Morisaki Bookshop. So trust me when I said that this book literally feels like warm hug, literally. This book humbles you down in its own way. So this book expresses how easily we misunderstood one another and how easily we make judgments on very little information we have about the another person. Okay, so this one is my personal favorite. If you want to enter into thriller era and if you want to read a good thriller book, then this book just might be for you. So this is the first book of Frida I read, and I completely loved it, and I am obsessed with that author now. This is The Boyfriend by Frida McFadden, and I guarantee you, you will love this book. This book is just so mind blowing. I mean, you won't be able to predict the plot at all. Like throughout the book, you will be keep guessing the killer, keep guessing the plot, what's happening, who is the killer, what is going on. But at the end, the plot twist will twist your mind, will blow your mind like anything. Like you will be staring at the wall for some time. So just go and read this. If you want to read a good historical fiction, then you should try this book. This book is such a gem, which is Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo by Taylor Jenkins Reid. And this book is literally a gem. I still couldn't get over this book. The feelings, the emotions still linger somewhere in my heart. आई लिटरली मतलब मुझे इतनी पसंद आई वो बुक आई जस्ट couldn't get over with it. So there are some kind of books which you can truly understand when you actually read them. So yeah, this is the kind of book. So in this book we follows Evelyn Hugo about her life and how she ended up marrying seven men over the time. and who her true love really was, and about her friendships, sacrifices, heartbreaks, and also the challenges she faced in that patriarchal world. Literally, this book is filled with patriarchy. Trust me, you are gonna love this book. Just read it, just give it a chance. So, if you like to read LGBTQ plus books, then this book might be just for you. This is the boyfriend material by Alexis Hall. Honestly, I love to read LGBTQ plus books, and I love them. I love this book so much. I didn't get bored even for once while reading this book. The banter between the two MMCs and this book is literally filled with chaos. The emotions, the friends, the side characters were too good. I love them so much. The side characters literally feels like friends to whom you don't want to say goodbye. So this book was too fun. I was laughing throughout the book until my cheeks get hurt. So yeah, this was that great. You can try this book if you want to read a LGBTQ plus book. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll be coming with new book recommendations and new books in the next video. Till then, stay with me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share and save it for your future reference. तब तक के लिए bye bye.